Hello everyone, it's Carolyn from Carolyn's Creative Classroom, and I've been receiving a lot of requests about my dramatic play setups and how I set it up and how do I come up with the ideas, where do I find everything. So I decided for the newest dramatic play, which is going to be the Flower Shop, that I would video day by day so that you can see the progression on how I set it up, where I find my materials, any tips or tricks. So let's get started. Let's take a little short tour and walk you through what I did today. All right, come on down. So the first thing I did was move and rearrange my furniture to things that I know that I'm going to include. So I know that I'm going to obviously have a cash register, and then I thought a receptionist desk, and because I'm going to be doing Mother's Day, I pulled this out so I have my Mother's Day books. And then, of course, I'm going to have customer service that's going to help build all of those bouquets. And, of course, all of our storage and everything. And then I'm not quite sure on this yet. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do a sensory bin that's like academic with like letters or sight words, or if I'm just going to show off some more bouquets. So stay posted on that. I always have my cleaning set, so that's where I'm going to have that area. And you'll notice in all my dramatic plays, I always keep the kitchen. And I am going to be doing something special with this kitchen, so stay tuned for that. And I always include a dressing room where they have all the different kinds of things to wear. So that's just something that never moves, those two pieces. Sometimes I'll move the dressing room to a different area, but I do keep both of those pieces in every dramatic play. I do have this one already set up. I'm waiting on a couple Amazon orders, but I did have some left over from when I had my sensory bin in spring when I was in kindergarten. So this just came from the dollar store, and these are actually the leftover beans from last dramatic play. And then I did pull my plant shop dramatic play, some things that I know that I'm going to need for this one. So I'm reusing the same material. These green bins come from the lemonade stand that you can find on Amazon that I linked in the plant shop. I am going to have this area here is going to be the bouquet draft, so I'm going to have them like designing it there so they have a place to write and draw. I am going to have a delivery service, so this is going to be my delivery van. Now, as I make this stuff, I might move furniture and rearrange it, so this is just kind of my day one where I think things might end up, but sometimes they change. I did make a change, so I just started creating it, and I did print the open and closed posters. Now, normally I just have the building, which I still do, I kept that, but I added, if I know it's more ink, but I just fell in love with the day, and then if you flip it over to the back closed is nighttime. It's just something new I'm adding to the dramatic play sets. Just so I can teach, day and night and time. I did go to 2 different dollar stores, and this is where I picked up all of these awesome, amazing flowers. One tip trick that I'm going to show you is you can find this really cool tumbler. It's from the dollar store. I don't know if it's Dollar General or the other one, but it comes in a 4-pack, and they're really tall, and a pool noodle fits perfect inside of it. And then the students can easily put the stems in from the Dollar Tree because they are very thin stems. And they don't topple over. They're not glass. They're not going to shatter. And if they get dropped, it's not going to make a big mess. And all of the dollar store, you can see here, the stems are really tiny. So pool noodles actually work perfect for it. So that's my tip and trick for day one. That's where I got all of my dollar store stuff. It was about 40 bucks between both dollar stores, but that's also including the little tumblers, which were 4-packs, and they do come in a couple different colors. I just grabbed gray and teal, but I know they had dark blue and a couple other colors. So as you can see, I have not labeled anything but the open and close sign yet. So stay tuned for day 2. There might be a big transformation. So see you until next time. Bye, guys.